Hello. So do you know what would happen to you if you eat oats daily? I know you heard that the most important meal of the day is breakfast, right? But do you know what you should eat in the breakfast? No, it's alright, I got you. Oatmeal is a popular breakfast option, also recommended by doctors and nutritionists. But why? What is so special about it? Well, that is because a good quality oatmeal will not only make you feel better, but help you look flawless so you can shine from both inside and out. Also, if you think oatmeals make a boring breakfast, watch the video to the end and discover a creative and yummy ways to transform it into a delicious feast. Before we begin, thanks for stopping by Fulfilled Life channel. Here we reveal the best tips, tricks, and hacks that you can use in your daily life. Hit the like button and subscribe to watch more similar videos. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. Let's start with the benefits. Number 1. Have you always longed for smooth, flawless skin? Well then, oatmeal is the answer to your dreams. It is the perfect treatment for inflammatory skin problems such as acne, eczema, and dermatitis. It is also rich in zinc and vitamins and minerals that wipe out toxins to make your skin appear clear and healthy. Additionally, it protects your skin from other skin problems to offer a rejuvenating glow. Iron is a key element that plays an important role in nutrition and moisture saturation in the skin cells. Magnesium boosts cells renewal and blood circulation. Manganese lessens inflammation and swelling to rapidly promote skin healing after bruises, burns, wounds, and other micro tears or injuries. Number 2. Do you want to increase your muscle mass? Well, oatmeal helps you get all the proteins your muscles need. People often attribute muscle development to proteins, and I'm not denying that either. But what they don't know is that your body also needs adequate amount of fats and carbohydrates, both of which are important ingredients found in the oatmeal. Carbohydrates are a source of energy for the body, and that's exactly what a workout requires. Taking 1/2 cup of oatmeal every day fulfills 15% of your body's daily protein requirement. On top of that, oatmeal is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and glutamate that helps muscle fibers to regenerate at a rapid rate. Number 3. Oatmeal is an effective antioxidant booster. Oats contain antioxidants that play a role in lessening inflammation, itching, and symptoms of high blood pressure. Antioxidants are rich in beta-glucan that decrease the levels of sugar in blood and increase the synthesis of nitric oxide. This gas also dilates the blood vessel to increase circulation. Also, beta-glucan lessens the level of cholesterol to stimulate the development of good bacteria in the stomach, helps you feel full after a meal. These amazing effects can be further enhanced by the addition of vitamin C, and it's no wonder that healthy breakfast menus contain both oatmeal and orange juice. Number 4. It gives a boost of energy. As described before, oatmeal is rich in carbohydrates that provide energy to the body. It's also suggested to eat oats on the dry side to feel fuller for a longer time and eliminate the need for any other food. Oats are further enriched in essential nutrients. A 1/2 cup of oatmeal provides 191% of the daily dietary intake of manganese, 41% of phosphorus, 34% of magnesium, 24% of copper, 20% of RDI iron and zinc, 11% of RDI folate, and 39% of RDI vitamin A. Number 5. It helps you shed weight. The carbohydrates presented in oatmeal reduces your appetite and controls the level of blood sugar. And all the important nutrients we just discussed further boost your rate of metabolism and prevents the accumulation of harmful fats and toxins in your body. And don't forget that beta-glucan we talked about earlier, it helps you feel fuller for a longer time, which means one thing, you don't overeat. All of this accelerates your weight loss. So impressive, right? Number 6. It decreases your cholesterol. The presence of soluble fibers and linoleic acid in oatmeal lessens blood's bad cholesterol and triglycerides. Bad cholesterol can cause arterial inflammation that impairs the tissue to increase the odds of a heart attack or stroke. Beta-glucan can also play a key role by lowering cholesterol levels, maintaining the level of other nutrients, cleaning the walls of arteries from fat, and protecting the body from serious illnesses such as arteriosclerosis. Number 7. Your risk of developing a heart disease lowers. Oats are a good source of healthy cells that support the circulatory system. I already discussed the importance of antioxidants, but guess what? That's not it. Antioxidants fight the free radicals to decrease their abilities of damaging blood vessel walls. Not only that, professionals suggest that the average daily intake of dietary fiber should be about 25 Gs to 38 Gs to promote digestion. Also, a small quantity of oatmeal can complete 1/5 of the daily intake of fiber. This is pretty impressive, right? Particularly because it plays a key role in the regulation of bowel movements and digestive problems like constipation. In a study, 30 people with bowel issues were asked to consume oat brands for about 90 days. The results of the trial proved that their bowel activity improved tenfold. Not only that, the study showed a reduced use of laxatives in about 59% of the patients. So good, huh? Okay now, I promise to share a few yummy recipes if you stick around to the end of the video. And well, you made it. So here are the few flavorful and mouth-watering oatmeal recipes. Number 1. Apple oatmeal pie for boosted metabolism. To prepare this amazing dish, you need a cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, a cup of applesauce, try to get unsweetened, and 1 large apple peeled into small pieces, okay? You also need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and maple syrup, which is optional, but let's be honest here, who wouldn't try it? Place a saucepan on a stove and turn it on a low setting. Now add oatmeal, milk, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Slowly stir the ingredients to mix them. Then wait until the milk is absorbed, that would be about 15 minutes. Then turn the stove off and pour it into a bowl. Enjoy the quick, creamy, delicious pie. Number 2. Oatmeal raisin cookies. To prepare this yummy recipe, you require around 3/4 cups of flour, half teaspoons of baking soda, half teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of butter, an egg, a cup brown sugar, half a cup of applesauce, a cup of raisins, a couple of cups of oatmeal, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix the flour, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda into one bowl, and sugar, butter, eggs, applesauce, and a little water in another bowl. Stir the ingredients together. Now add the flour mix into the second bowl. Add oats and raisins and let the mixture cool into the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat the oven at 350 degrees. And while you're waiting for it to heat up properly, take out the mix from the fridge, scoop it out with an ice cream scoop, and create small cookie dough balls. But don't eat them yet. They're not ready. Let them spread out and then bake them over in the oven for about 15 minutes. Watch them closely and take them out as soon as they turn golden brown. So yummy. Number 3. Banana and almond milk oatmeal. To prepare this delicious recipe, you need a cup of oatmeal, a couple cups of almond milk, a couple teaspoons of almond butter, 2 teaspoons of honey, which is optional but I highly suggest for a better taste, and obviously a banana cut into small slices. In a saucepan, mix oatmeal and milk and place it in the stove until milk starts to get absorbed. Then add another half of the sliced banana and almond butter and let the rest of the milk get absorbed. Then add honey, throw it into a bowl, and decorate the bowl with the rest of the sliced banana pieces. Voila! So, do you enjoy oats more often? If so, how do you prepare them? Tell us your recipe in the comment below. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to leave a like on this video and share with your loved ones. We have more interesting videos on our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And remember, always strive for a fulfilled life.